This is Aniya. I come from Yiwu market again. And behind me the store is a special store whose products is made of crystal. Crystal, you know. We usually see the crystal used for the women's jewelry, but we seldom see this materials made for the home decoration. Let's go and have a look. You can see this wall is about actually, and this one is very classic. This one mountain lake, but it's actually. And this one is also the classic products in the store. And you can see the wall in the wall. Slice need art, life needs ceremony, love need express. We enterprise your taste. This one is a made of crystal. It's really shining and beautiful. Bling bling. And this product is for toilet. In this one, you can put liquid soap in this. When you use it, you can express. And this one is for soap box. In this, you can put your toothbrush in it. You put this product in your home and your home will be lighter. It's nice we can see this wall. This one is a whole decoration, and this one you can put this in your desk. You can put flowers or pins in it, and it looks really beautiful. This one, this one is also a container. You can put flowers in it and put some water in it. A cloth. And this one. Oh, so this one. This wall. And do you look this horse? This horse is made of resin. And you can see it's called. All of the products are very popular during the trade. As far as I know, the boss take part in the design of all of these products. This one you can put some candy. You can put some candy. And this one I really like it. This one, Alicoso. Hello, Alicoso. It's really, really heavy. This one, it looks like an apple. This one is a container. You can put flowers or pins in it. We can see this perfume bottle. In the last video, we saw the bottle made of glaze, and this bottle is made of crystal, different size, different materials. And this one is a container. You can put candy or other things in it, some food. It's made of crystal too. And at last, I guess you want to ask me some question about this product, how to transport. You know the crystal is fragile, right? When we transport these products to other countries, we put some foam board in the box so it can be safer.